In today's video, I'll show you how to log the start or end of your period on the Flow app. First, open your Flow app on your device. On the main screen, tap the Log Period button. Then select the days your period started and ended. The app will automatically highlight the estimated duration, and you can tap on days to add or remove them as needed. Once you're done, click Save. If you need to change a past period, go back to the home page and tap the calendar icon at the top right. Then select Edit Period Dates. Adjust the days by selecting or deselecting dates to match your actual period start and end dates. Finally, tap Save to update your changes and improve your predictions. And that's it. That's how you log the start or end of your period on the Flow app.